Good morning, students. Students, yesterday we have completed the topic of lesson number 3, that's name is formulas and functions. Yesterday, students, we have completed what is formula and what is function, and operators, constant, functions and references we have completed, students. So today, students, we will understand elements of formulas. Elements of formulas. So yes, so students, firstly we will understand constant. This is formula A2 plus B2 is to 5 minus sum E3 in parenthesis colon sign E5. Here, students, we will understand each and everything. First, constant. Constant means fixed value. Here, students, this is the cell address. So, this is the function name. So 5 is constant value. Second thing, students, equal to symbol, or I also explained when we want to start formula in cell, firstly we can use equal sign. It is very important for formula. Next thing, cell address. Cell address A2 is cell address, B2 is cell address, E3, E5, these are cell address. Then students, range. Range means colon sign symbol. This colon sign symbol is called range. E3 to E5. This is the range. And then function is sum. Sum is the function name. And next thing, mathematical operators. Plus sign is mathematical operator, is to into sign is mathematical operator, minus sign is also mathematical operators. Is it clear, students? Now we will understand, student, next thing, students, how can we understand, how can we find cell address? Students, this is a table. Suppose this is Excel sheet or Excel table. Students, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are given in this table, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows are given. Vertical represent columns and horizontal represents rows. Is it clear? So in this table, students, how many rows and how many columns are given? Columns 5 and rows 9. In MS Excel, students, columns always given in the form of alphabets, means represented by the alphabets. A number column, B number column, C, D, E, F, G, H, as so on. Students, columns and rows are represented by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Is it clear, students? And how can we understand name of the cell? How can students see this cell name is, first cell name is A column and 1 row. So what is the name of this? A1. Is it clear? Same, this cell name is, students, B1. This cell name is C1. These are the name D1, E1 and so on. What is the name of this cell, students? You can easily find, you can easily understand. A column and 2 row. So what is the name of this cell? A2, B2, C2, D2, E2. Same, this cell name is A and 3. So students, you can easily understand how can we form the table. Cell address, cell name. What is the name of this cell? D and 9. This is D9 cell address. Is it clear, students? Same, what is the name of this cell? B6. So easily you can understand, students. You can find the cell address or cell name. This is B6. Same. And note in your mind, students, when you are making the name cell address, you will write alphabets and then write the numbers. Is it clear? So students, according to this, you can find cell address or cell name. Any problem? Yes. Have a nice day, students.